Portfolios allow learners to tell engaging stories and give deep insight into their achievements and experiences. They're also a powerful way for teachers, educators, or any professional to present and promote their activity with peers, stakeholders, or employers. In each scenario, the content of a portfolio can be repurposed and reframed for different audiences. In this example from Griffith University, Frank Stadler uses portfolios to introduce and explain his research. He embeds video, audio, and links to his publications, bringing to life his research story and providing context for fellow researchers, participants, and stakeholders. For learners who want to showcase their life-wide experience, portfolios needn't be restricted to the formal learning context. Here, beyond the curriculum, Spencer Arnold presents his work as a musician, using his music to illustrate his story and connect with his audience. Storing and tagging projects and activities, and reflecting on the evidence of learning, research, or teaching experiences forms the foundation of a meaningful portfolio. To bring it all together, the Portfolio Builder supports multi-layered, customized designs. The elements of a story fall easily into place by dragging and dropping the content. Embedding or linking to evidence adds richness and depth to the narrative, to be shared with collaborators, the web, or for assessment.